I'm just leaving Widnes now. Next stop is Tameside. It's about 40 mile to Tameside, so just thought I'd update you. Right, I'll set off now.
honey, you're being much too kind. 'Cause I've been known to make mountains out of little bumps in the road. When I'm left alone to my own devices, honestly, it'd be alright if you need to take a moment to see if it's worth your time. Oh, so do you walk away, live to die another day in the sun, left wondering if I could be the one. Oopsie daisy, what did I do? You can't fix crazy when crazy is you. What did I do? What did I do? You can take this as a sign. Oh, baby, this happens every single time. 'Cause I've been known to get a little too close to those who don't know that it's much more fun when we give into our vices. Oopsie daisy, what did I do? You can't fix crazy when crazy is you. What did I do? What did I do? I overheard all these words, never meant to hurt, but they don't always work to soothe the wounds we nurse. All these words were never meant to hurt, but they don't always work to soothe the wounds we nurse. Say, Daisy, what did I do? You can't fix crazy when crazy is you. What did I do? What did I? Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy, what did I do? You can't fix crazy when crazy is you. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Manchester United. Never heard of them. Must be one of the lower league teams. Sir Alex Ferguson's stand. Ah. Oh well. Now they've had a good few Scottish managers, Manchester United, over the years. Matt Busby for one. Tommy Docherty for two, and oh well, you name it, umpteen. Well, I have to stop filming now. I was pedalling along, I heard a crack, my legs is going round, bike's not moving. I thought at first it might have been the chain had broke, but when I go for the bike I had a look, the chain's perfect. I'm turning the pedals round by hand and they're going round, the wheel's not moving. So I knew it was something serious. I thought, well, this might be the end of my bike ride now. So I was just shoving it along the side of this canal, and I bumped into a couple of young lassies, and one of them told me there's a Halfords, and I think she said White City. They might be able to do something for you, she says. So I thought, great. I thought, I'll take it there and see what they can do. So I took it to Halfords. Now they couldn't do anything. They said that I needed parts and they'd have to order them. Well, I couldn't do that. Couldn't wait there. So one of the young lads at Halfords told me to take it to this place called the Charity Bike Shop. He said that there's a place called the Charity Bike Shop. It's about 2 miles from here in Chorlton. If you take it there, they might be able to do something for you. So I took it there, and I wasn't expecting them being able to do anything. I was expecting the same thing. It's what they said at Halfords. But I took it in there. A young lad in there who spent some time on it. He put my bike on the stand, took the wheel off, took the wheel to bits, took the cassette to bits, rebuilt it, and tried to fix it. But it wasn't going to have it. In the end, I had to buy a new wheel. And he put a new wheel on. And nothing was too much for these people. I have to give them a shout out, because the service that I received was fantastic. Not once did anybody complain. They just tried to fix that bike, spent that time on it, and I couldn't have wished for any more. And it's called the Charity Bike Shop. It's in Chorlton, in Manchester. And what they do is they fix bikes up and they give them to the young kids who's got cancer. So I'm going to leave their address in the description. But if it wasn't for these people, my charity bike ride would have ended. So 2 thumbs up to these guys.